Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Pierce team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Pierce LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here finishing up the construction of the new cinder block wall here on the side of the house up in Savannah, Missouri. As you can see, we've already got the hole blocked out where the new egress window is going to go. We're just in the process now of getting the final row and a half of the wall taken care of today, so this will be done here probably within the next couple hours or so. But we've already gone ahead. We've got our commercial foundation tar on the wall from the base up to where ground level is going to be. And now we're just trying to get the finishing touches put on. So yeah, everything turned out really great on this wall. Again, as you can see here, every cinder block that we've laid is completely filled solid with high strength concrete. We don't leave anything hollow on this wall. We want to make sure that the structural stability of this wall is as high as we can possibly get it before we finish up here. So everything just looks great on here. A lot of time to get this wall built, but the end result is going to be something that the homeowner here is going to be really proud to have. So great job by the King Pierce team. Once this is done here later this afternoon, we have some small patching of the front wall on the inside that will get done, and that is pretty much going to be it. We've got our excavator up here to expedite the backfill. So once we get that little drain tile set back up, we'll be good to go on that. But other than that, we're just getting the concrete and blocks laid out to finish up this wall. So King Pierce out here in Savannah, Missouri. If you have any kind of issues with your foundation, your walls are leaking, you're seeing settling, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpierce.com. And again, don't forget, you can always check out all of our past projects, current projects on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Pierce LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.